Have you ever wondered how some channels explode in popularity almost overnight? Recently, I stumbled upon a channel called Napoleon that's absolutely crushing it right now. Despite being only created in early February 2025, they've uploaded 59 videos, gained nearly 131,000 subscribers at the time of recording this video, and guess what? You can replicate their success. This channel focuses on motivational and self-development content, but with a twist. They bring Napoleon Hill's timeless philosophies to life, using his classic voice, blending old wisdom with modern storytelling. It's a formula that clearly resonates with today's audience. Here's the best part: you don't need to be an expert or spend hours creating content. In fact, you can create a full video in under 30 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick high-performing topics, generate full scripts using ChatGPT, generate the audio in Napoleon Hill's voice, edit videos using CapCut, design the viral thumbnail. I've also put together a Google Doc with all the prompts you'll need. You can access both inside our Telegram channel, completely free. Links are in the description. If this sounds exciting, hit the like button, and feel free to drop any questions below. I reply to as many as I can. Now, here's a short demo of what you'll be able to create after this tutorial.
There comes a moment in every life when silence becomes louder than sound, when the noise of the world fades and you're left staring into the mirror, asking one terrifying question: why am I still not who I was meant to be? Not because you lack talent, not because you don't work hard, but because somewhere deep in the soil of your subconscious, you were taught to plant weeds instead of seeds. And those weeds, they took root. They choked the light. They whispered lies in your sleep. You're not enough. Success is for them, not you. Money is evil. Stay in your lane. Don't dream too big. Don't outgrow your circle. These are not thoughts. They are programs. They are viruses. And until you delete them, until you replace the corrupted software in your mind, you will repeat the cycle of almost made it, almost broke through, almost rich, almost great. You cannot build a fortune with the blueprint of limitation. And that is why we begin here, not with money, not with strategy, but with belief, because your outer world is nothing but a mirror, a reflection of the dominant thoughts you permit to live rent-free in your mind.
Sounds interesting and engaging, right? That is the intro of the video. If you are interested in watching the full video, I will leave a link in the description. Now we're going to recreate this video from scratch. It's a simple and fun process, and if you watch till the end, you'll see exactly how to do it in just 7 easy steps. Now let's break down each of the steps required to create the most engaging Napoleon Hill-inspired video on YouTube. Step 1. Finding hot topics. Let's start with the foundation: topic selection. Head to the Google Doc and copy the topic generation prompt. Then open your favorite AI text generator, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Qwen. Even the free version of ChatGPT works well here. Paste the prompt, replace the placeholder with the number of topics you want. I'll use 10 and hit enter. Browse the list and pick a topic that fits your vibe. If none feel right, hit regenerate for fresh options. Step 2. Generating the script. Now that you've picked your topic, it's time to generate the script. Back in the Google Doc, scroll to the script writing prompt. This one is designed to create 4,000-word videos, broken into parts so the AI doesn't cut off mid-sentence. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the topic placeholder. Let ChatGPT do its thing. Once part 1 is generated, simply type continue to get the next chunk. Repeat until the script is complete. This format follows the exact storytelling style of successful channels in this niche: engaging, emotional, and actionable. Step 3. Create the voiceover. Now comes the fun part, bringing your script to life with a voiceover. To stay true to the niche, we'll use a voice inspired by Napoleon Hill himself, using a platform called Fish Audio. Here's how. Head over to Fish Audio's website, linked in the description. Log in or register if you are a new user. Once logged in, click on the Discovery tab to see different voices you can choose from. The voice library contains cloned voices of people, including prominent people, both dead and alive. If you can't find Napoleon Hill's voice on the front page, head over to the search box and search for it. Once found, click on Use Voices. Paste the script you copied from ChatGPT into the text box provided. Choose the voice model. I prefer to use version 1.5. Now hit the Create button. Voila! You now have a professional sounding narration in the voice of Napoleon Hill. Step 4. Getting and enhancing Napoleon Hill's image. Next, we need a clean speaker image. Search Google for Napoleon Hill and pick a portrait you like, preferably an older one to match the channel's tone. Pro tip: use the free AI tool called Upscale to boost the image quality. Note that upscaling is optional in the case you already found a high-quality image. Then remove the background using Canva, Adobe Background Remover, or any other background remover you prefer. Now you've got a clean, high-quality Napoleon Hill's image ready for video editing. Step 5. Generating a real Napoleon Hill's quote for opening hook. Most of these videos open with an actual quote by Napoleon Hill. Copy the quote generation prompt from the doc, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder with your topic. Once you get the quote, strip away the book or speech title and save it for later. Step 6. Editing the video in CapCut. 1. Import all your assets, including the voiceover and the speaker image, into CapCut. 2. Drag the voiceover into the timeline and trim unnecessary pauses. Trim any awkward pauses in the narration, if any. 3. Add the black background layer, stretching it across the entire video. Use stock material or download a black texture background from Vecteezy for a sleek look. You can as well as use AI image generator to generate a black background. 4. Drop in Napoleon Hill's image. Scale and position it appropriately, then stretch it across the entire video length. 5. Add filters to stylize the image or floral frames using PNGs from FreePic. Note this is optional. 6. Add a film grain overlay and set its blend mode to color dodge for that vintage look. Apply subtle filters and effects to enhance the aesthetic. 7. Generate auto captions using CapCut's text tool. Use bold, all caps, multi-line formatting for best results. 8. Display the Napoleon Hill quote at the start. Animate it in and fade it out gently for visual appeal. 9. Add a typing sound effect during the quote animation. 10. Include simple transitions between sections for smooth viewing. And 11. For final touches, add royalty-free background music at low volume for ambiance. Export your video in 1080p or higher. Step 7. Creating the thumbnail. Your thumbnail is crucial for grabbing attention. Here's how to create one. Head to the Google Doc and copy the thumbnail text prompt. Use ChatGPT to generate a bold, emotionally charged phrase. Now open Canva and create a YouTube video canvas. Add a black background. Place Napoleon Hill's image on the left. Add the text on the right. Highlight a keyword with a red box behind it. Add a speaker name below in a smaller font with a matching red box. Apply glow and drop shadow effects to the image for a polished finish. Download the thumbnail as PNG or JPG. And there you have it, your first faceless YouTube video in the Napoleon Hill niche, done from scratch, with zero filming, zero scripting, and zero editing headaches. Why this niche works. This strategy taps into the growing demand for motivational content, while leveraging the authority of Napoleon Hill's legacy. The combination of nostalgia and modern techniques makes it irresistible to viewers. Plus, with minimal effort per video, you can scale quickly, just like the successful channels we analyzed. Ready to get started? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Feel free to drop questions in the comments. I'm here to help. There's no better time than now to build your own viral channel. Start today, and who knows, you might be the next big name in motivational content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.